White ball dash for the first time in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. White ball was used for the first time in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. The new information on dengue virus caused panic in the public and government alike. I cannot come to see you until tomorrow. He has been living in Switzerland for 2 years. She is standing by her boyfriend. He paid the dining bill dash with a credit card. He did not give up hoping dash the bad weather. The outdoor party was rescheduled because of the bad weather. The outdoor party was rescheduled. Despite losing the first match, our team has won the World Cup. Everyone at the party was amazed by his performance. She is training for the upcoming tennis tournament. I am going to Afghanistan next year. There are some vacant rooms, both in flats and shared houses. The sun rises in the east. Nitrogen gas is in abundance on the earth. I was watching a TV program when he walked in. We are planning to take our guests out to dinner tonight. She took lessons to learn how to swim. The class teacher let Anna move to another chair. He devotes much of his time to planning for the future.